5 years ago today, we mentioned it, the World Health Organization saying we are in a global pandemic.
I think we got the computer to spit out this story for us. Local experts say some habits adopted during the pandemic stuck. Let's roll 7 News' Ariana Meadows' story.
Since the start of COVID-19 5 years ago, researchers say the global pandemic still has an impact on the way we live. Social distancing, mask mandates, school closures, and travel restrictions. The COVID-19 pandemic reshaped the way that we lived 5 years ago.
Being told to, socially distance myself from people that I would have liked to have gone and met and isolate was kind of difficult.
Some students we spoke to say when restrictions were lifted, they were excited to go back out in their community.
I was like, okay, get me on a plane. I want to go travel. I want to go, have these experiences that I missed out on.
But others were okay with staying inside, then and now.
I've just learned how to have fun at home and contact my friends through different means. But I think in the future, I will maybe develop back. I can't guarantee, but I'll try.
Eric Morris, a Clemson professor of city and regional planning, says people are spending nearly an hour less a day doing activities outside than 5 years ago. Morris says human behavior studies show once people are forced to change their habits, some will never switch back.
So a lot of us learned habits during the pandemic, such as obviously work from home is a major one, school from home, things like that, or shopping from home. People might have had to buy their groceries online during COVID and they never had done that before. And then for some people, that habit is just going to stick.
Morris tells us the pandemic has taught most people that they can have fun at home. He also says the pandemic had an effect on real estate.
The office market is really in trouble right now in the United States. Demand is falling. Not here in Greenville. We're red hot right now. We actually have an office shortage, but most cities, New York, Chicago, even San Francisco, firms, if they're not going fully remote, are downsizing, are taking away individual offices and individual cubicles and having more shared space.
Local researchers here at Clemson University say they used American Time Use Survey for their study. In Clemson, Ariana Meadows, 7 News.
Researchers predict the office space crisis in some cities will continue to get worse, saying it takes 10 years for office leases to turn over.